The protocol allows working with patients remotely, monitoring activity measures accurately and in sequence 24/7, and enables healthcare providers to monitor cardiac rehabilitation patients at home at a low cost. The program offers an alternative to regular cardiac rehabilitation. It is intended for a population that for various reasons cannot reach cardiac rehabilitation centers and allows remote arrhythmia and ischemia identification.
Cardiac rehabilitation has been proven to save lives after acute coronary events. However, it remains underutilized. The ability to monitor patients effectively while exercising at home would greatly expand the use of this life-saving therapy. We believe our method of using home monitoring using the HealthWatch garment and advanced digital technology will allow much more widespread participation in cardiac rehabilitation.
It is important for coordinators to meet with patients in person during the first 6 weeks to explain the program step by step and to practice the exercises together.
For the first 6 weeks, have the participants attend the facility 2 times per week for 1 hour, wearing the wristband at all times and the smart digital garment at predetermined times. Measure the participant's blood pressure before, during, and at the end of each exercise session, and have the participant warm up for 5 minutes before beginning each session. At each session, have the participant bike for 10 minutes, followed by 15 minutes of walking on the treadmill and 5 minutes paddling on a hand cycle, monitoring the heart rate using the electrocardiogram telemetry capabilities of the garment before, during, and after the proactive walking.